Hello, dear students. In today's practicals, we are going to learn about two different types of the napkin fold. The first fold, which is quite very basic, this particular napkin fold is known as the book fold. Before we actually proceed for doing the napkin fold, we must know which particular side is the back side of the napkin. This pitch one is known as the back side, and this top one without having the visible stitch is known as the front side. So the first fold that we are going to do today is very simple fold, and it is known as book fold. In order to do this fold, first of all you will have to three-fold it from the vertical direction. And again we need to three-fold it from the horizontal direction. So this simple fold is known as the book fold. Now moving to the second type of fold. This second type of fold is known as pyramid. Why it is called pyramid? Because look-wise, once we are going to complete this fold, you are going to see a pyramid in front of you. In order to make this fold, first of all, we will have to fold, we will have to keep the serviette or napkin in the diagonal format, and we'll have to fold it diagonally like this. So this is how we have folded the napkin diagonally. After that, this is the center of the napkin. So in the center of the napkin, we'll have to keep both the ends at the center of the napkin by making a straight line. So again I am repeating, this is a napkin in front of me. This napkin I have folded it diagonally. So considering this to be the center of the napkin, in this center of the napkin again I am going to fold the napkin from both its open ends by making a straight line at the center. So I hope in this particular turn you have been able to understand how we have made this turn, how we have made this fold. Next we'll have to hold the napkin in our hand and we'll have to twist it at the center, or we'll have to fold it at the center. As you see, it has been folded at the center. This is the top part and this one is the bottom part. So the top part we'll have to keep it at the top only, and we'll have to place the napkin in the format of a pyramid. So considering these three are the phases or the plane of the pyramid. So this particular fold is known as the pyramid fold.